Now we're going to use some logic to prove that given x and y in R, they are related by this relation, x squared plus y squared equals 4. X and y are in R. We want to prove that x plus y is less than 4. So this is the problem that we want to solve. We can use a fact that given a x in R, x squared is always bigger than 0. Okay, if x squared is bigger than 0, therefore we can add minus y squared to both sides, and we're gonna get x squared is 4 minus y squared is bigger than 0. Okay, now adding minus 4 to both sides, we get minus y squared is bigger than minus 4, and multiplying by minus 1, we get y squared is less than 4. Now, if we take the square root, we're gonna get the absolute value of y is less than 2. And this is a result that we can express in the following manner. This means that y is between minus 2 and 2. Okay, now we have that if y squared is bigger than 0, the same thing, y is in R. So if we add x squared to both sides, we're going to have x squared plus y squared is bigger than x squared. And we have x squared plus y squared is 4. Therefore, we have 4 bigger than x squared. Most of the time, we write it in this manner. X squared is less than 4. Taking the square root again, we see that we have the absolute value of x is less than 2. And in this case, it means that x is between minus 2 and 2, and we have y is between minus 2 and 2. And adding these two, we have x plus y is between 4 and minus 4. And this is just the same as x plus y is less than 4. The same thing. Remember that if we have x, the absolute value of x is less than a, it means that x is between minus a and a, with a being positive. And therefore, we proved the result that we need. Okay, that's what we need to prove here. Okay, and this is what we needed to prove. We can use other techniques. Okay, we know this is a circle. The circle having center 0, 0 and radius 2. Okay, we can use this fact here and we can parameterize the circle and we get the result. But this is stronger. Okay, this is using a lot of algebra and a lot of logic and deductions, and definition of the absolute value and the equivalent definition of the absolute value to arrive at this result. Okay, if you have any questions, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.